Incest is when two people who are closely related by blood, like father and daughter, mother and son, siblings, cousins, and close family members, engage in sexual relations. In Igbo culture, this act is known as nsọala, a heavy abomination against the head goddess Allah. Now, what would make someone commit this grievous act? Well, here are six major causes of incest. 1. Ignorance. Sometimes the people involved may not even know that they are blood relatives, such as in hidden family histories or separated parents. 2. Improper accommodation. When parents live with their many children under one room, the children may be aware of the sexual activities between their parents, and this may trigger confusion or premature sexual arousal among the children, making incest more likely among siblings. 3. Ritual demands. In unfortunate cases, a parent who seeks money rituals may be asked to sleep with his or her child as one of the ritual requirements. 4. Frustration or emotional breakdown. When someone is totally frustrated, depressed, or mentally unstable, the person may lose self control and commit incest without considering the consequences. 5. Poor moral upbringing. When children are not properly taught boundaries, respect, and cultural values, it becomes easier for immoral behaviors to arise. 6. Influence of alcohol, drugs, and peer pressure. Substance abuse can weaken judgment, thereby making someone to take action he would never consider when sober. In Igbo belief, incest is seen as a threat to the moral order, the family, and the entire community. That is why the Igbo emphasize on good moral upbringing, discipline, space, and cultural values to prevent it. In my next video, I shall talk about the consequences of committing incest in Igbo belief.